good day everyone po. Welcome to Kusina ni Mayo. Today we are going to make ready-made cakes mix. There you go. So it's ready. So we're just going to add the flour mixture in there in the mixing bowl. Then 1 cup water, half cup oil, any brand of oil is okay, and then the 3 whole egg. Yan, very easy po, right? Any grocery can find that ready-made cake mix po. Ayan po. So we're going to use the hand mixer to mix all the ingredients. Okay, so nababasa lang naman po at sa side or sa back part po ng cake mixture, nandun po yung procedures niya po. So, at yung mga kailangan na ingredients po na idagdag ay nandun rin po. Dun sa kasama, dun sa simple procedure. So, it is very easy. Dito po sa gagawin natin na Devil's Food Cake Mix.
Do you wanna know?
Ayan po, nakita natin naman na ginamit natin yung wax paper para hindi didikit yung cake natin. Or bond paper, it's okay. Or kapag walang papers, pwede lang na i-brush natin ng konting oil para hindi pa rin po didikit yung ating cake dun sa rice cooker. Okay? So, ayan, ilalagay natin. Ibubuhos natin yung ating butter mixture. Ayan na po. Chon, 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 chon. So, there po, matatry natin mamaya na ifo-frost yung ating ginawang yema frosting. Okay? So, there you go. Ilalagay na po natin. Bagong-bagong rice cooker yan. Actually, nagkaroon tayo ng problema. Kaya sinabi kong casserole and rice cooker po yung pinaglutuan natin. Kasi after 50 minutes, nag-power off na lang siya bigla. Kaya nag-isip ako ng paraan. Kailangan maluto natin yung cake. Kasi sayang. So, eksakto lang po na yung plate po ng rice cooker, nilagay ko na po, yung bowl, ng rice cooker, nilagay ko na lang sa loob ng casserole na magkakasya po. Then, we tried with the cake tester, hindi pa pwede. And then, after mga 1 hour, then, it's there, it's cooked. Without an oven, we made that cake. Look at that, look at the smoke, right? Ayan po. So, the Devil's Food Cake Mix is done. Ayan na. So, pagkalamig, lumamig siya ng mga 15 minutes. Then, we are about to frost it with the yummy frosting. Ayan na po. Ayan. So, kapag may mga ganoong problema po, hindi po natin kailangan magpanic. We're going to think of other ways and means para matuloy yung ginagawa natin. And there you go. Ayan. Na-frost na po natin. Ayan. So, sabi ni RD, he wanted cheese. So, maglalagay tayo ng cheese. And those are chocolate chips. Ayan po. Lagyan natin. Gusto ng mga bata. And then, ayan pa din. We're going to grate some cheese on top. Ayan. So, magiging perfect yung snack natin. Ayan na po. Sige po. Kapag hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please pa-subscribe po. I promise na gagawa po tayo ng mas madaming kind of frosting and I think mga sauces dito po sa Kusina ni Mayo. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless po. Stay safe everyone. Bye.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.